6, 7.
She is giving, I am the CEO, but I still want to come to the ugly Christmas sweater party. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a little trial haul. I have so many things that I ordered and I need to get opened and just ready. Oh, so much stuff. So if you guys know, I told you guys last video that I'm doing 25 days of Christmas looks or festivities or fits or whatever you want to call them. And so I ordered some things for this little series and it all came in. So I'm going to open them all with you. Cool. Alright, so let's go with the first one. The first one is from Depop. I got it from Penguin Vintage. I don't actually know what this is, but we'll see what it is. Try it out. What are you? Alright, so what are you? Okay. Ooh, it's my leather burgundy coat. Oh my god! Yes, honey. It's a leather burgundy coat. Oh my goodness. She is good. Yes. So good. Alright, so that's good. And then let's do, I got these pants. These pants from Mango. Well, I got them from Nordstrom's, but they are the Mango brand. I don't know if you guys know what Mango is. It's just like a little boutique place, but mango.com. But I got them from Nordstrom. They're pleated. They're oversized. They're cute. Alright, so good thing I got is from Depop as well. So Depop, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Depop. So Depop basically is a resale website. I'm into thrifting, you guys know from a couple videos before. So it's a resale website, and so yes, I normally get like a good amount of vintage stuff in there. Come on. Okay. Whew. Alright, so oh my goodness, a polo sweater with the bear. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna pair with a skirt, and you guys will see that. Super cute. This is a boys, and it's a 14-16 boys, and I just got it. It smells good too. Next, let's see, Amazon. Oh, my leg warmers to go with my cream outfit. So good. All right. Next, let's do another Amazon package. Oh, these are our matching pajamas. Matching pajama sets. Yes. Yes, our matching pajamas. Alright, another package from Mango. Oh, yes. My pleated skirt. Yes. Okay, so they said that this skirt ran big, so I went a size down. Ooh. It's looking tiny. It's looking tiny, but we'll see. I have a pretty cute outfit to wear with this. So, another package from Depop. I be forgetting which one what I be ordering, but oh yes, so this is a vintage Christmas sweater. This is a vintage Christmas sweater. Oh, it's so cute. And I'm gonna wear it with those pants, so I'm gonna try it on. Try it on with those pants. Well, it feels good too. Oh my God, it feels so good. It looks so good. Ah, I'm so excited. All right, so this is a vintage Christmas sweater. I am so excited to try this on. All right. All right, so this is from Gymshark. Okay, so I got a water bottle because I try to get my 10K steps a day. And I be needing my water, and I be buying a bottle of water from the gym, and it's $3.75 for a bottle of water. Girl, get your life. So, got this little Gymshark bottle. So good. Alright. Okay, the next thing is a Gymshark sweatshirt. Yes. Because it is getting cold. It's getting cold. And we need that. Need that. Gotta have that. Okay. Gymshark, I got all this stuff on sale because they was having their Christmas sale. Or no, I'm sorry, Black Friday sale. So I just got a couple of these. They're like bra tanks. So you can wear them as a tank or you can wear them as a sports bra. Either or. These were on sale. Alright. See what I got here. Some leggings. Because your girl is in need of some leggings. Alright. Same. Got another one of those tops. Alright. Ooh, a gym bag. I've been needing a gym bag, oh my gosh, for so long. And it's just really cute. It's just like a little... Yeah. Just a little something. You can put... I can put that water bottle in it. I can put my lip gloss. I can put my phone. I can put whatever I need in it. And yes, everybody needs a gym bag, but I didn't want like a huge gym bag that like the guys have. So, yep. I'm gonna have to figure out how this works though, because what just happened? It's a cute little gym bag. All right, next. What we got? I feel like Santa Claus right now. Oh, it's because I'm moving. Gotcha. Some more leggings. Whew, thank you. I think it's another one of those shirts. And probably some more leggings. Yes, more leggings. Yes. Oh, no. These are not leggings. So these are flare pants. Like flare workout pants. Oh, so they are still like gym material, but they're flare. Yes, so good. So freaking good. I'm going to try those on. Okay. Another pair of flare pants. All right. So, that's good. And then I have another package from Depop. Girl, Depop is running my pockets, honey. The only thing, I love Depop. The only thing I don't like about it is their shipping. Their shipping can be a little outrageous. So I'll be negotiating and haggling. Oh my goodness. Tag still on it from Depop. She's a good one. She is a good one. All right. Okay. So let me, oh, I got one more thing. One more thing. Oh, these are probably my, okay, yeah. These are just some stockings that I have to wear. I'm going to a Grinch party and, yep, I need these stockings.
The next day.
And we're back. I hope y'all liked today's video. It was different. Y'all was able to see all the stuff that I bought over this Black Friday sale. Whew, my pockets was ran. But we're back.
It's time for the advent calendar. I know y'all missed my face. I'm here. I was over there while I was watching her from the corner while she did her outfits.
No, you didn't. It would have freaked me out if you was.
I was though.
You was?
Yeah. I was watching you.
Oh.
You didn't know. I really was watching.
All right. Okay. Let's do day 5. We're on day 5, y'all. Let's do day 5. Where's my day 5? 2.
I didn't even do that. Sorry, y'all. I tried to throw it over the camera.
No, seriously, where's 5?
5?
Yeah. Yeah, do y'all see 5?
Help her find it.
Help me find it. Where's 5?
It is
6,
7.
6, 7. No, but it's 15.
So that was 4. 5.
Oh.
It's blended in.
Oh. Can y'all see that?
It's blended in.
This better be a good gift. They blended it in.
Is it a big one?
Oh.
Nice.
Warm socks.
Oh, warm socks.
I love this.
They match you.
They do. Cute. And we about to do a road trip to OKC. So I'm about to put these on right now.
Alright, let's see what I got in mind. This, okay, y'all, look at this. They tripped out on this. That is not a 5. I know y'all can't, it's backwards for y'all, but it looks like an S, doesn't it? Oh well. Here we go. I was Confucian.
I was today years old.
Oh, some beard oil.
Ooh.
Let me smell it and see what it smells like.
They really getting you right for your beard kit. Seriously.
Okay. It smells like some good oil.
Let me smell.
Wait, is that the candle I'm smelling?
Candles smell good too. It's a mix, but that do got a good smell too.
Yeah, it does. It's kente oil. It's kente oil. It tends to linger when you're in the room.
Oh man.
All right, well, it is time to close this out. We appreciate y'all for watching, for supporting. Like she said, I know today's video was a little different, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all saw some of her cool style tips.
And I'm gonna be doing more of those videos. I feel like putting some outfits, sprinkling in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's gonna be cool. I'm gonna be watching. How about you?
And we may do some couple looks.
All right, fellas. Let's see we get in our fashion bag.
We will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.
Peace.
A merry little Christmas.